So it's time to go wake Finn up. Look who it is. Are you standing up now? Really? What else are you thinking about? Yeah? Dada? Oh, whoops. You dropped your ball. You dropped your ball. What are you going to do about that? Yeah. Can you sit down? Or are you stuck? Huh? Finn. Oh, you gonna eat that? Oh. Say Dada? Say Dada. Dada? Can you say Mama? Finn. Can you say Mama? Mama? I know you know what it means, but Mama? Oh, you're such a good boy. So big. Yes. Oh, bounce. There you go. Good job.